Hey guys, welcome back to Montoya's product review. Today we have the T-Mobile test drive unit. We're going to see how this thing works and how the performance is. Might do a few videos of us driving around town or while we're working to see this thing. But let's get this thing open. So first off, let's cut this thing. I'm just going to use my car key because I can't find a knife. I can't get it open with my key. Okay. Brown tape might be a little harder. Now these are used units because T-Mobile gives them out to multiple people just so they can test out their service before switching over. I'll leave the link in the description below if you guys would like to get your hands on one of these. And now that T-Mobile has teamed up with Sprint, their coverage should be a little bit better than before. Also, we have a donation link down in the description. We have an Amazon link down there if you guys want to help out the channel grow a little bit. And we probably have a couple of our other channels on there. So, opening up the box, we get a nice black box with a little piece of styrofoam that doesn't really do much because that's all the protection this little thing got. Right here on the top it says, "Put us to the test." On the back it tells you what's included. And the side, the serial number, MAC address, all that good stuff. Side has the T-Mobile logo. That side has just about nothing. And that's just pink. On the back, it comes with the T-Mobile test drive, the battery, USB charger, SIM card, start guide, terms and conditions. You guys want to see this thing get open? Well, let's just slide it on open here. T-Mobile test drive. There is a seal right here. It says important. Yeah, I can't read that because there's two stickers on top of each other. We'll just pop both of those stickers off. And it gives us access to this little flap. Dun, da, da, dun. You'll love our network. So here's the SIM card, blah, blah, blah. There's the team test drive start guide. Yeah, probably not going to read that. I will probably read this to you guys, though. So we're bringing coverage you can count on in more places than ever. Our network has thousands of new towers and millions of square miles to expand to LTE coverage. Get ready for experienced data, text, and Wi-Fi calling on all our networks. Your trial will last 30 days or 30 gigabytes, whichever comes first. And then if you need help, there's the website. Anywho, packaging looks pretty nice so far, other than the way they shipped it. Which makes me wonder if I should even order their phones, because if they ship this like that, it makes me think they're going to ship the phones any better. So here's the test drive unit. It's just a little hotspot. It's got a power button down here on the bottom. T-Mobile logo on top, an LED display. Not a whole lot really going on around the sides or anything. Very nice. Little plastic piece to protect the T-Mobile logo. Alright, we'll set that aside for right now. What else is in the box? User's manual, limited warranty, not keeping this very long. We got the micro USB charger. It doesn't even, I'm sorry, it's not even a USB charger, it's just a micro wall charger. Why don't they send USB cables with these things anymore? Whatever. And then at the very bottom, we got the battery. I didn't even see a slot to open this thing. So we'll put the box to the side and figure out how to open this thing. Looks like there's just a little tab right here on the left side if you're looking at it. So we'll pop that off. It opens up like this. It says lift right here. It holds the SIM card in place. So we'll get the SIM card right here, pop it out. Ow! And then, looks like you can even trim it down to even more. So you can trim it down to a micro SIM or a mini SIM. You could save these too in case one of your phones comes with a mini SIM and then you want to switch over to a micro or just even a regular. or even a regular SIM card. You got the little adapters. I think these can even get sold on eBay. So for a free unit, it's a pretty good little deal. Okay, you just slide the SIM card in, something like that. Close that. Get the battery right here. Open this up like this. Slide the battery in. If you look on the back, there's also a reset button right here. There you go. There's a reset button right here. I think you have to have a pin or something to pop that in. And we'll grab the back right here and figure out how to put this thing back together. Just snaps on like so. Nothing changed. We'll hit the power button. Welcome. Just let this boot up for a minute. While this is booting up, I'm flipping through this to see how to actually activate this thing, or if it comes activated already. Okay, it says T-Mobile. It shows that we got full bars, about half a battery, and it just says T-Mobile. It's a good thing that we got full bars already. Okay, so you quickly press the power key right here, and it switches between everything. So there's a Wi-Fi name, the Wi-Fi password, how to get to the settings and info, T-Mobile, so the home screen, and then you have how much data you've used. Now, this says I have 30 gigs or 3 days, and this says my cycle ends September 4th or 20 gigs. So, I don't know if I should call T-Mobile and complain about that already. But yeah, that goes through that. Basically, just a quick list of instructions on how to work everything, and then you also got it in Spanish, which you really don't need it if you don't speak Spanish. Oh, they're going to get me in trouble for dropping this thing. Alright, so all I'm going to do right now is switch over to the Wi-Fi password, type that password into my phone, and we'll do a quick speed test. Alright, we're connected. So, let's just hop over to, I like to use speedtest.net. Probably not everyone's preferred method. When you connect the device to it, it says that there's one device connected up here in the top. And, alright, but the speed test is ready, so let's see what kind of speed we're getting on the T-Mobile network. Okay, we're connecting. And it failed! Right out of the box, it failed. Alright, so I'm going to do a little troubleshooting on this thing, see if I can figure out why it's not working. It probably just needs to get activated, which I'm more than sure that's what it is. Give me a few minutes, I'll be right back. Alright, so I logged into the T-Mobile hotspot. It shows that I've used 1.57 megabytes of data out of the 20 gigs that I have available. It also shows that I've been online for about 8 minutes. But I can't seem to get this working. It does show that I am on the hotspots network. So I'm just going to go right here and see if I can get one of these to load. Yeah, let's do Twitter so you guys don't see any of my financial stuff. So it does load up some of the home screen, but not the full thing. So I'm going to try to run a speed test on here. And it's not seeming like it's going to load. And just waiting to see if it loads. Doesn't seem like I'm getting far with this thing. Now, when I logged into the T-Mobile hotspot, I was expecting some kind of message for me to be able to just log into it. So let me just try running a speed test off of this browser. Maybe that tab was just bad. Let me see if I can run a speed test off of the Google site itself. Doesn't look like I'm getting anywhere with this. And it does show that I've been online for about 10 minutes now. But I can't do any browsing. So when I click... Looks like I can't spell for anything today. But the data usage is going up. So it says you can reset your usage or change your usage meter from the settings page. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Now here's some support options. We'll go to the T-Mobile website if this thing even loads up. Looks like it's loading. Looks pretty promising. And it's stuck. Alright, so we got connected and now this message is popping up, so let's see what that says. Activate your new device, get more data, stop reading this and get running. So that's probably why it hasn't been working. So we'll just get started. And it's got a 404 page. I'm going to give them a call. Alright, so after a few days of me working on trying to get this T-Mobile hotspot activated, I finally got it activated. So let's just get connected to the Wi-Fi right here. Alright, it shows we're connected. So we'll go over to speed test. See what the internet speeds are like on this hotspot. Shows that we're connected to the T-Mobile network. Now it's just got to find an optimal server. Frontier in Dallas. Must be the best one. So we'll go ahead and run that. We got a 60 ping. It's running about 5 megabytes per second down. Oh, it's getting higher. So we're getting about 7.1 or 6.7 down and about 3 up. That's better upload speed than the internet service I have. We'll just head over to the mobile hotspot site. Now it says that we are up for 4 minutes and 11 seconds and we've used 259 megabytes out of 20 gigs. Let's see what happens if I reset this. I just reset that, so maybe I do have 30 gigs like it says. Messages, it's asking for a password. I don't know my password. And it's not my phone number, so. But yeah, it seems like it's a pretty good one. Head on over to our YouTube channel. See if we can get one of these videos to load. It's loading. This is running at 480. I just want to see if we can get it to play. Pretty thick to cut through. So it's playing on 480 just fine. I just want to see if we can get it to 1080 and see if it'll load with no problems or what's going to happen. As it looks right now, 1080 is taking quite a bit of time to buffer. Let's see how long this actually takes. Alright, we got a video playing now. Looks like it's going. Oh, nope, never mind. It just buffed out again. So let's pause this, switch it down to 720. See how well it works on 720. Hopefully, we don't get as much buffer and it loads a little bit quicker. Oh, yep. Looks like it's going to load pretty well. If you guys want to see this full video, you can check up here in the top left-hand corner. I'm sorry, top right-hand corner, and that'll be the link to that video right there. But overall, 720 and 1080 don't work very well on this hotspot or on this network, period. But I mean, 480 worked pretty well. You do get a little bit of buffer on 720 and not a whole lot on 1080. I'm sorry, I said that backwards. You get a little bit on 720 and a lot on 1080. We're going to go ahead and run a Google speed test here and see what we get. Looks like we're going to be getting about 8 to 9, maybe 7 to 9. 8.53 down and anywhere from 4 to 12 up. Still, those numbers look pretty good considering it is only a mobile network. I'll go ahead and exit out of this. Alright, here it does say that you can stream one device in HD quality. So overall, I think this is a pretty good unit. If you want to get your hands on one of these, I'll leave the link down in the description below. Also, we'll have a link to our other 2 YouTube channels down there and a community help GoFundMe just to help out the community, get them AC units, clothes, school supplies, whatever they need for the upcoming school year since this whole pandemic has got us all struggling. Also, I have a link down there to help out our YouTube channel to help us grow and to help us get bigger and better, so I can provide you guys with more consistent videos and better videos. If you'd like to help out, there's another link down there. I also have other links. You can just go check all that out. If you're interested in stock trading, Weeble's offering 2 free stocks if you deposit $100. Link down in the description. Also, go check out some of my other videos. I got links up here posting throughout the video. Don't forget to subscribe right here or over here. I might be both sides. I never remember. See you guys in the next one.